In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Scribble tool in Tinkercad. Now to do this, you first want to go to Basic Shapes over here on the right. And as you can see over here, this tool over here is called Scribble. So you want to just click on it and position it wherever you want. And it's going to open up this drawing board just like this. Now in here, you can basically scribble or draw whatever you want. So we're just going to go and do a simple shape over here. I'm just going to make it like this. So it's going to be like that. And then I'm going to go towards the bottom, and that's going to be our shape over here. Okay, so let's say you actually finish this. You can just release your left mouse button and you can see the preview up here. That's going to be your scribble. Now down here at the bottom, you could also go and erase things. So we can just go ahead and select the pieces you want to erase. I could do it like this, and I could erase certain parts over here. It's completely up to you what you want to achieve here. I'll just do some to actually show you. There we go. As you can see, that's going to be your preview up here. And then over here, you also have this option, which allows you to draw a shape over here as well. So if you want to click and of course drag, you can go ahead and draw shapes like this. So that's also very possible. And then you have this one over here, which of course allows you to erase with a shape. So if you want to erase a specific portion, I can do it like that, and it's going to get erased. Now whenever you're done, you can simply click on the done button at the bottom right, and there we go. As you can see, your of course shape is going to be in here, and it's basically all made inside the Scribble tool. So it's really super simple, and if you want more properties, click on it. You can change the height over here. You can edit your scribble at any time, and of course you can also make it a hole to cut through things with it as well. Okay, so that's how to use this tool. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.